This 2026 Grand Design Lineage LVT1 is a Class B RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 20 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 2, awning, stovetop burner, LP detector, refrigerator, air conditioning, smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector, water heater, and 34 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B features front living area, mid-bath, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. This 2026 Grand Design Lineage LVT1 is built on a Ford W2XC T350, long-hour CARGO AWD chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.